Okay. Hopefully everybody can see me, guys. What's going on, guys? It's me, Marlon. I got a great video for you guys today. It's going to be a general video. It's going to appear in the membership. It's going to appear in all or somewhere in all of the marketing systems, just so that we'll get this out of the way and we won't have to keep going over it over and over and over again, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use a share code to generate a done for you email campaign series into your Leads Leap account. And that way, guys, once you have this share code imported into your Leads Leap account for this email follow-up campaign series, you can use it, right? You can just create these campaigns on the fly. Now, just keep in mind, you will have to go in and edit the campaign out, but using the share code, you're going to be able to pop that follow-up email series right into your Leads Leap membership. Now, there are a few steps you got to follow. I want you guys to watch. I'm going to really try to slow it down because, among other things, I've been accused of talking way too fast. That's just because I'm always in the zone, guys. I thank you guys for being on the video. Okay, so look, it's a series of 14 different emails, guys. They're pre-written. They're my emails. They will populate inside your Leads Leap membership account once you do this. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go in and you're going to add a new list. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And then, you'll just make up a name for that list. And I'm going to show you guys. And then you're going to activate these lists following these instructions, right? And here's the share code right here, guys. I'm going to highlight. That's the share code we're going to be using. That's the share code that's going to populate this campaign into your Leads Leap account, right? So now I want you guys to hang on tight because everything that I've been doing up until now, guys, is based on the ability to be able to earn money and receive money directly and instantly, right? So that's what my Cash In with Cash App project, or my Cash In with Cash App marketing system is all about. So everything that I do now, I'm able to receive my payments instantly and directly, guys, through either Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, Stripe, or Google Pay, because I have all of those different apps. And I advise you guys really right now to go in, guys, and set yourself up at least one or several of those accounts, Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, because when we get into the Cash App marketing system, guys, and the Cash In with Cash App marketing system, you guys are really going to like this. And the cool thing about it is the way I set this up is you guys can start for as little as $25, right? All the way up to $300. Yes, it could be more. I'm just talking about a price point that anybody can actually afford. So once this is all said and done, and I'm probably about 2 or 3 days away from having it all set up, you guys will be able to use it to instantly and directly receive $25 payments, $10 payments, starting with $10 payments, $25 payments, $50 payments, $150 or $300, all coming to you directly, guys, via Cash App. So you guys are going to want to stay tuned in for that, because I think you'll be excited about it, guys. So now, guys, get into your Leads Leap members area. Go on and log in. I'm going to set up this email campaign. I'm going to give you guys the share code. Let's see if we got the page. Yeah, we still got the page up. So I want you guys to get inside your Leads Leap membership, and I want you to come to your email marketing tab, right? And it's right here on the left-hand side. You'll see email marketing, and just click List Manager. Because once you click List Manager, you're going to be able to add a new list. You're inside of your List Manager, and just go to Add a New List. And we're going to call this Follow-Up Email Series. And if I'm misspelling, guys, do not hold it against me, right? We're just going to call it a Follow-Up Email Series, okay? We're going to add it now. Once it's added, you guys will see there it goes, the Follow-Up Email Series, right? Very, very simple. Now, the next thing we have to do, guys, right, is we're going to actually activate the list. So you're going to click Activate the List. Now, pay attention over here, guys. This is a lot of administrative stuff that you have to make sure that you get done. So make sure you come over here and fill out all of your information inside of here, guys. Okay, so I'm trying to get a little closer to the computer. You'll see some of these things are optional, but the sender's detail, optional. Not optional, guys. You have to fill that out, right? You have to fill out your the sender's detail, and you also have to make sure your email is in this block right here. Okay, and make sure that it's right in both places. Mine's always comes up with one end for some reason. So once you've done all that, you're going to come down here and make sure you fill out everything. You don't have to have a welcome email. You can, if you choose that, the system is going to actually set up a welcome email template for you. You can go in there and edit that template out as well. So I'm going to go down and just say we're going to do that. I'm not going to put anything in here. Now you have to hit this button right here, right? You have to do it, guys, in order to actually activate the account. But let's make sure that you got all of this information up here, guys. Your name, right? Where were we at? Your name. You got to have a real physical mailing address in here, guys, okay? And it's in here somewhere. There it goes right there. You can see that there's mine. You get the real physical mailing address. If you don't have these things, the system is not going to let you set up your follow-up email campaign. Once you've done all that, you should be good to go. Make sure you come down here and tick this little button right here, because you're agreeing to the terms of the actual CRM, the contact management system, and then hit save and activate. Oh gosh, guys, I always skip this step. We gotta click here, guys. Okay, you gotta send yourself an email verification code. Now it's gonna kick it back to me because I'm good, but you have to do this after you've got all this information in here. You want to ask the system to send you an actual verification code. I'm gonna click it because I'm already auto verified. As you can see, I don't have to really go in and do anything else. I'm just gonna continue, but you guys have to hit that step because you won't be able to activate your list until you do that. Now, once you hit that, look, check your email inbox because you're going to get a verification code, and you simply click that code, or you come back to this page and you'll insert that code, which you see mine's in here now, and then it will allow you to come down here and save and activate your actual account. And you'll see, guys, that this account should be activated within just seconds. Now that we have that all set up, guys, it's as simple as a share code. So now we're going to come back down. I'm just going to come back down to my email series, right? All right. I'm going to hit email series because that's where I'm going to put that share code at, guys. Okay. For that, well, I could do it several ways. Let's just keep it simple. So we're going to go back to the list manager. I'm going to go back to that list. Okay. There it goes right there, right, guys? The follow-up email series, whatever you named it. Make sure that you remember what you named it, because now you're going to come over here, guys, right here where it says it's an import code in here. Set up email series, right? I want you guys to come right to this box where it says set up email series and click it, because when you do that, you'll come right down below it where you see import, and you're going to click import. Now, when you do that, guys, I want you guys to come back over to the page where I got your share code. Copy that share code out, hit Control C, come back to that actual page and paste that share code in and hit import now. Oh, if you want to replace it, I'm going to just say yeah, guys, okay? Let's say no, I don't want to replace it. So make sure you tick something off. I don't want to replace. Why is it asking me that? Okay, I'm going to just hit that just so we can move forward. If it doesn't let you do it, just hit hit the buttons and let's get, let's move along. So now that campaign, you can see, guys, is now populated. There it is. Those 14 emails I told you guys about are now sitting inside your Leasley membership, inside of your members area. And now you can access them. And the only thing you have to do now, guys, is go into each one of these emails, because I got 14 days worth, right? Just share them with you through a simple share code to include the welcome email. So what you can do now, guys, is go in and edit them. So one by one, you want to click the little pencil box. You can see I already got these emails set up. They're already done for you guys, right? And you're going to come down at the bottom and put your name at the bottom, right? Edit them out. Make them speak to who you are, right? You want to start corresponding with your list, re-engaging with them, getting to know them, getting to like them, and they'll get to like you. And most importantly, guys, getting them to trust you. And you trusting them. You're going to build some great relationships by building a list. Now, when you start changing these emails out, you're going to edit them. So everywhere you see blue, right, or when you see my name, change it. You come in and you highlight the link. And if you look right up here, you'll see two little links, right? One's an unlink to remove the link, and one's a way to link. Now, I'm going to go to unlink, and you'll see it's no longer clickable, guys, because I unlinked it. But when you're ready to link your particular URLs up, right, you would simply link it back to wherever you want to go, and then there'll be a call to action in your email with little arrows or wherever you want to do it. So I'm going to highlight it, and if I were to put a link, I would go there and open up that field, and that's where I would insert the link, right? And just for test purposes, I'm going to go back. I'm just going to send myself not this link. I'm actually going to send myself this link, right? Because it doesn't really matter. You can send people to a lead capture page if you want to build, if you're building a new list inside your list, whatever you want to do, guys. And I'm going to paste it. And so then after you do that, guys, and you come down here and you edited out your name and everything, just come down and hit save. And once you hit save, there's your email, guys, all ready to go. And let's see where it goes to. And of course, guys, it's redirecting to my actual Cash In with Cash App marketing system, which you guys are actually going to get to see the first, that $10 price point coming in. You'll actually be able to find that in the YouTube video description area or right below this link in the membership, guys, because I'm opening it up and I want you guys to really see this. I think you're going to be excited. But anyway, that's how you do that, guys. It's as simple as that when it comes to setting up these follow-up emails, right? If you get confused about anything, just go through this instruction right here, but it'll walk you right through it. But you just saw that, and I'm going to close it out. You're going to come in, you're going to edit each one of these emails. That's 14 days worth. And I will tell you guys this too. You can put these emails in what's known as a loop. So even though you may think, well, it's only 14 emails. Well, number one, you didn't have to write them up, guys. I wrote them up for you. All you got to do is edit them. Number two, you can loop them, right? So you could actually make this 14 emails. Any of these emails you want to continue and loop, so it actually represents itself in the thread all over again every 3 days, every 5 days, every 10 days, whatever you want to do, up to 2 months, guys, you can do it. So you can set yourself up an email list really, really fast. And you want to be doing that. And you guys already understand how to connect all the pages. But this share code for the Done For You email campaign is incredible. Now, the last thing I want to tell you guys to do, if you went in here, you edited all your emails out, and everything's really good, the email campaign is active, I want you guys to come. I'm going to go in another one. And I want you, for every email that you write, I want you guys to come into here when you come to edit, and I want you to send yourself a test email, okay? And if you guys look over here where I'm kind of scrolling around, and I'm going to hit send myself a test email. I want you guys to do that. Then hit OK. The system's going to let you know that the test email has been sent. I want you guys to do that for every single email that you create. Why? Because, guys, sometimes you might be in a rush or you might just miss something and you'll forget to change the links out. And instead of the affiliate link being your affiliate link, it may be my affiliate link, okay? So you don't want that to happen. So when you're inside of your email series, right, and you're going through here and you're editing your emails out, make sure you send that test email. I'm going to my email inbox. I'm going to check my email for that test email. And it will, in fact, be going where I want it to. But I want you guys to check yours and make sure that it's going, in fact, where you want it to go as well. Always check your emails. And always check for spelling and stuff like that, too. And is it in here yet, guys? Cash App. I know I just sent it to myself. There it goes right there. Okay, sometimes I send it to myself. It ends up there. But here you go, guys. Right? And so that's the test email that I just sent myself. So I'm going to click it. And it should, in fact, take me back to the page we were just in, right? And I don't think this is the actual page, but you guys get the gist of what I'm talking about. Let me see that email. Let me go back to my email inbox because that email was a different email actually, and I really want that email. So I'm gonna go back into my Leads Leap account. I'm gonna come to the very first email. I'm gonna tick it. I'm going to come back up here again, and I'm going to send myself another test email. Sometimes it's a little slow, guys, but for the most part, it'll send these emails out to you really quick. And so what's the title? It says the test email has been sent. Let me check it out. The title, Affiliate Market Brokers, just the very first email now open. So now let's go back to the email inbox. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I've showed you guys that. I'll come back to that in a second. And there it goes, guys. Demo. Well, that's saying demo because I'm just sending it to myself. Affiliate traffic system now open, guys. Yours is open as well. And I'll click and it'll take me back to the page I just popped in there in this illustration so you guys can just get an idea that how amazingly powerful this can be for anything you want to do. Now, remember, as a pro member, you can create unlimited campaigns, or I think you can. There's no limit to the amount of subscribers you can have on your list. And I really want to say you can create unlimited lists, right? But it's a lot that can happen inside here. So guys, that's how you do it, right? It's just that simple when it comes to setting up a follow-up email for your actual Leads Leap account. I just gave you guys a free email series that you can load into your Leads Leap account. You can edit it out, guys. Those share codes, again, you'll be able to find them right down here. I just walk you guys through that. Go on, guys, and pop that share code in and create yourself an email follow-up campaign. And then make sure that that campaign is connected to your lead capture page, okay? And you guys know how that goes. In the meantime, guys, I'm going to go ahead and invite you guys to take a look at the $10 entry level coming into my Cash In with Cash App marketing system. You guys really need to see that. Check it out, because in the end, what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to create one funnel where we're actually going to funnel all of these different marketing price points into one funnel. Right? We want to make it affordable for anybody. We want to include all the training. We're going to make it so you can get paid instantly, directly, daily, weekly, monthly, however you choose to do it. So you'll find the links for both the affiliate traffic brokers marketing system and the entry level price point of $10, guys, coming into my Cash In with Cash App marketing system, which is actually going to be unlocking within the next week. Thanks so much for sitting in, guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.